Good day all. It's a very hot day today, so I'm gonna put some of the resin and bog fairing compound on the top of the fiberglass. I'm gonna get it nice and straight and flat for the outside look. I'm gonna put one coat on and then I'll sand it and see if it's pretty well flat. If there's still any little divots and bit of holes and stuff I need to bog later, which I'll do, then yeah, I'll do that first. So yeah, I will show you the mix, what I'm going to do now. So it's pretty much just the resin, the catalyst, and the body filler. So the body filler or fairing compound, I'm going to mix it in together once that's all nice and runny, because you want it really runny because you can spread it, and then yeah, it will turn rock hard. Alrighty, stay tuned. So I've just mixed it. That's just the part one of the standard filler. So I'm going to pop that into this bucket, which I've already done some earlier, just how it went, and it went really well. And so I'll pop that in there with a little bit of the red hardener, and then give it a mix, and then I'll do some resin with the catalyst and I'll mix it and I'll show you how guys how it looks like. So I've got the hardener in there. I'm going to give that a quick mix. Once I've done that mix, I'm going to put the catalyst, which is that there, which is 2.5 mil, into a half a litre of resin, and then I'm going to mix it together. Mixed. Now, the reason why I want to thin it out a bit more is because it's a bit too thick and it's too hard to spread. So I'm going to add this catalyst in to the resin. Just give this a quick mix. Mix this for about a good 20 odd seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, sometimes maybe more, because you want that catalyst to get in with all that resin, so it can have the that reaction, that chemical reaction. Because that's what I reckon last time. I didn't mix it enough, and it didn't have that chemical reaction. But yeah, gotta do it better this time. Mixed, in she goes. Just like that. Just shake it out as much as we can and give it a good mix, and then I'll go on top of the boat. Yeah, I'll mix it while I do a quick recording so you can see what's happening. It's getting really, really loose now, and then as you can see, it just falls off, and that's what I want. Oh, gotta be quick, get onto the boat. I'd rather do this than fiberglassing. Fuck that. Okay, so I've just done that middle bit because I quickly need to go to the other side because I've still got some left. But yeah, there you go. There's a first coat on it. Why I had to do this is because first of all, the fiberglass I don't want to sand down as much, so that's why I'm using the filler, because it's just going to fill all the divots and all the where the mat is. You know, the mat is lumpy. But yeah, I don't want to take the strength out of it, so putting the bog in, the filler, is going to help that. So this is the first coat. I'm pretty sure I would only have to do touch-ups after when I do the sanding. And yeah, I'll just do this last bit. So with this mix, because it's going to be for the sides, just done it a little bit thicker. The only reason is because I don't want it too runny. It's going to go everywhere. So yeah, I'll apply this one on.
Get on the line.
Oh, he's on there. He's gonna fly out and he's gonna sting me. Oh, look! We have a nest. We found it. Oh, all right, I'll leave you there. Back to you. Oh, shit, there he is. All the fairing compound is on. Gonna let that dry for a good 2-3 days, maybe on the weekend. Give it a light sand. I've still got heaps of other stuff to do, but yeah, look at that. Ooh, very warm now, but got it done. It's yeah, it's all done. All the fairings done. I've just got to sand it now, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see it all flat. I'm pretty much over the big hurdle with this hard top. I've got all the fiberglassing done, all the fairings done. All I've got to do now is just do the internal, because that won't be fiberglass, that will just be screwed in, and then coat of resin, and then when the primer, a couple of coats of primer and paint on that, that will make it protected. But yeah, there's not much left. So I'm just going to call it a day, and just a big shout out to my wife, the other potty. Thank you for, you know, looking after the other 5 children while I'm doing this. You know, it's a big ask, and for me being out here. So thanks, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned.